What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to review the green figures. Okay, guys. So it's been a week, give it or take, since we decided to invest in this project. So essentially, what we do here is we are giving the money to traders so traders can invest in Forex. So basically they will do trades, and then from those trades hopefully they will make profitable trades, and then the money will be sent back to each investor. Okay, so TVL has reached $105,000. Okay, total investors 331. Okay, over here it's my dashboard and my investment is $100. Okay, scrolling further down, we can see the estimated weekly profit so far. Okay, 3.454. Okay, so this is going to be my estimated profit. Okay, so profits are allocated every Saturdays. Okay, so tomorrow, Saturday, or today when you're watching this video, okay, we're gonna get some profits from the weekly trades, okay, which is around 4.41%. Okay, and scrolling further down is where we can withdraw our capital if we decided to. Okay, so over here on top we have live trades. Okay, so I never trade Forex. Okay, but I will show you what I can see. Okay, so from here we can see the stats. We can see the balance 104.5k. Okay, so gains 13.86. Okay, what else? What else? The highest the equity has been, or the balance has been, was today 105.197. Okay, and what else can we see? Right, so over here we got the graph. Okay, so the project was launched around where was it? I think it was, I can't recall what was the day. Hold on, let me flip to here. Okay, so the project was launched on the 2nd of June. Okay, so 2nd of June, as you can see right here. Prior to that, we had like 5k, right? So from there, investors start to invest in the project. Okay, so the traders use the money, 100k, to make trades. Okay, and over here we can see the graph, right? So the profits. So as you can see right here, small profits, and then with more balance, more equity, the profits grow bigger. Okay, if we scroll further down, we can see the today's history, so gains, profits, pips, wins, trades, lots, etc. Okay, the week, month, and on a year basis. Okay, over here is where we can see the stats in more detail. Okay, so far they have made 905 trades. Okay, so let's check out the profitability. Okay, so profitability is 72 wins, 23% losses. Okay, so in 905 trades, they won 693 trades, and they only lost 212. Okay, which is really, really good. Okay, that shows that the traders are doing a really good job. Okay, over here we can see the average win. Average win, 14.37 bucks. Average loss 18.98. Okay, even though the average loss is bigger than the average win, right? So if you come over here to the best trade, we can see that the best trade, they made 844 bucks, and the worst trade, they made 274 bucks. Okay, and the profitability tells everything, right? Hence we are in profit right now. Okay, scrolling further down, we can see that the open trades are right here. Okay, so we got all the open trades right here. We have the open orders, which is none currently, and we have the current, the history of the past trades. We can see everything: time, open time, close time, the token or coin did trades, the action, the lots, pips. Like I said to you, I never trade Forex, so don't ask me about pips, lots, or whatever, because I don't know. Okay, so all I can understand is profits, loss, duration, gains, or loss. But anything that you want to know, you can come over here and see for yourself all the trades. Okay, so everything is here. my overview is, so far so good. Trading is risky. Sometimes we lose, sometimes we win. But the most important thing is we win more than we lose, and our wins, are higher than our losses. So, for example, if they have over here 200, if they had over here 212 losses in comparison to 693 wins, but those 212 losses meant they lost, let's say, 50K, whereas 693 wins, they only won 20K. That means they're not doing the right job, okay, or they're not performing the right trades. Because even though the win rate is bigger than the loss rates, when they lose big. When they win small. But in this case, they doing the other way around, which is the right way, okay, guys? Because they are winning more than losing, and every time they win big. Okay, so far so good. So let's see tomorrow what happens. Or by the time you're watching this video, it's gonna be Saturday. Okay, so tomorrow we will have the option to withdraw the rewards, the profits, or we can compound. But the profits will pop up right here tomorrow, Saturday. Okay, when they move the funds from the Forex to the smart contract, I believe, and the total profit will pop up right here. And my investor profit will be right here, and over here is going to be, well, sorry, excuse me. My available profits will be right here tomorrow, okay? And then once I withdraw or compound, we will be able to see the profits right there. So I will have to take action, okay? So that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. If you want to join this project, the referral is going to be in the description. Referral link is going to be in the description. If you want to join my referral link, it's cool. If not, don't worry about it. I'm just here to share my crypto journey with y'all. That being said, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.